Hey everyone, welcome back to another video where today I'm bringing you my very first 2024 TV, the Samsung DU8000 UHD 4K TV. Now, in the recent past, Samsung used to only bring the Crystal UHD TVs every 2 years, but Samsung is now focused on bringing new innovations to the Samsung Crystal series every single year. So, let's not wait anymore. Let's get to the unboxing right after this. Welcome back. So as you can see, the packaging is the same as the last few years. It comes in a simple brown cardboard box without any bright pictures. Inside the box, we have a detachable power cable. Detachable power cables offer convenience and flexibility. They allow you to replace damaged cords easily, swap cords between different Samsung TVs with the same power requirements, and simplify storage and transportation. I've used cables like this for both the CU8000 and the QN90C for the 3-inch TVs. It comes with 2 feet that utilize a screwless design. They can also be set to 2 different heights. It also comes with a warranty, a user guide, and a quick start guide. Now, assembly of this TV is pretty easy. Just line up the grooves of the feet with the grooves of the TV and slot them in. As mentioned earlier, it can be set to 2 different heights. The high setting allows you to put a soundbar underneath, while the low setting allows you to have the TV at a low profile. The remote looks to be the same as last year's model, still as small as ever. Now, I want to show you guys, it does have this layer that's on the bottom and around the edges that you can easily take off. I also want to show you that in terms of port, there are 2 USB-A ports, 3 HDMI ports, including 1 port situated at the back. One of them also has ER capability, an RF input, digital audio output, and an Ethernet port. In terms of the design of the back, it's very smooth and made of plastic. Now, let's plug in the cord into the back and then turn on the TV. You can choose between setting up via the remote or the smartphone mode. I chose the remote. You then go through the various menus. Make sure to read the agreements you sign. Now, once you finish the setup, you are taken to the home menu where you can see that you have various apps available, including Netflix and YouTube. If you want more apps, you can scroll up and go into the App Store and select the app you want to download. On the very left, you'll see a Search tab, a Daily Plus tab, and Game tab, as well as a Connected Devices tab and Settings tab. Finally, here are some actual video samples.
What about this emperor in the sky?
So, let me know in the comments below what you think of the DU8000 so far. Also, is there anything you want me to take a look at? Let me know by the weekend. Thank you all for watching. Please be sure to leave a like on the video. And if you found it helped you, and if you want to be kept in the know for any future reviews released, please be sure to hit subscribe. This is JC Tech and Finance, signing out.